If you can measure it, you can issue it. Maybe your project is producing kilowatt hours of solar energy. Maybe you're hosting miners, running a subscription service, building a community, or tracking on-chain activity. All of those streams can be translated into a disciplined token if your tools aren't stuck in meme mode. Token Depot lets you deploy and issue KRC20 issue mode tokens on Kaspa's Ghost DAG network in just a few steps. You set the cap, you control the issue schedule, and your holders can verify everything from the contract address down to each issue transaction. Let's talk about how most tokens are launched today. On typical chains, you deploy a contract, mint a huge number of tokens up front, and then try to convince the world that you'll be responsible forever. There's no built-in pacing, no real link to project progress, and in many cases, no way for outsiders to tell if the contract can quietly mint more. That's great for memes. It's not so great for long-term projects. Issue mode on Kaspa flips that model. With issue mode, you deploy your KRC20 token once, setting your maximum supply and decimals. That deploy transaction ID becomes the contract address everyone can verify. From there, you issue new supply in controlled batches as your project hits real milestones: energy produced, hash rate hosted, revenue, memberships, or anything else you can measure. Now layer that on top of Kaspa. Kaspa is a proof-of-work layer 1 that uses a block DAG, not a single chain. Ghost DAG lets multiple blocks be created and ordered in parallel, giving fast confirmations and high throughput while keeping the security model simple. Miners, not committees. Fees are tiny, and confirmations arrive in seconds, which makes Kaspa an ideal base layer for tokens that need to move frequently without burning a hole in your treasury. Compared to Ethereum mainnet, where even improved gas fees can still land around tens of cents per transaction, or BNB and Solana, where speed is high but the narrative is dominated by short-lived meme coins, Kaspa plus issue mode is positioned for builders who care about both cost efficiency and long-term credibility. If you want your token to stand for something more than a trend, move beyond mint mode and casino gas. Use issue mode on Kaspa with Token Depot and align your supply with the value you actually create. Start today at tokendepot.com.